quizzing! Guess 50 different animals across 5 thrilling levels, from the easy to the downright impossible! Before starting, subscribe to Quizzing for more exciting quizzes. Let's the wild ride begin! Easy level. Can you name this animal? Dog. Cat. Who is this? Horse. Next! Cow. Who is this? Sheep. Next! You got this! Hen. Pig. Can you name this animal? Duck. Who is this? Frog. Next! You got this! Goat. Medium level. Who is this? Rabbit. Can you name this animal? Deer. You got this! Fox. Next! Dolphin. Octopus. Can you name this animal? Koala. Beaver. You got this! Turtle. Kangaroo. Who is this giant? Elephant. Hard level. Can you name this animal? Tiger. Next! Chimpanzee. You got this! Orangutan. Can you name this animal? Wolverine. Gorilla. Next! Tasmanian devil. Can you name this animal?
Komodo dragon.
You got this! Jaguar. Who is this? Snow leopard. Rhinoceros. Almost impossible. Who is this? Kakapo. Can you name this animal? Tautara. Next! Aye. Falcon. You got this. Dugong. Fossa. Next! Binturong. You got this. Porcupine. Can you name this animal? Markhor. Who is this? Pangolin. Impossible. Can you name this animal? Platypus. Next! Okapi. Who is this? Salamander. Can you name this animal? Axolotl. Cassowary. Who is this? Jaguarundi. Manatee. Ibex. Next! Lemur. Can you name this animal? Armadillo. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Quizzing for more quizzes.